Okay, so I had points, and you get points by reviewing the items in the bag, or if people sign up for Ipsy and they use your affiliate code. I actually had a whole bunch, and I've been recently trying to just get rid of them because, you know what, why not use them if you have them? I picked 2 items. The first item that I picked from the rewards center was this. It's a vegan lipstick, or lip balm. One of the two. How do you open? Oh. I think it's a lipstick. Okay. Are you sealed? No. Okay, let's... All right. I don't know anything about vegan products. I really don't. I think it's just a lipstick, not a long-lasting one. Latte. It's just called Latte. Not for resale. Of course, it's a sample. Ooh! It's got a really nice smell to it. I want to say, like grapes. It's got a very nice smell. It smells like grapes. Okay, it is whatever that is. Long-lasting liquid lipstick. That smells good. I like that. Okay. So, the other item I picked was they had offered it. Let me move these over for a little bit from the actual bag. They were calling it a mystery bag. I guess like products you could get if you ordered it. Now, you can actually buy the mystery bags from their add-on shop as well, but they were actually offering it in the point shop. Let me tell you what, there's a lot of products in here. Okay. 1, Everyday Vacay. I do not know what this is. It's from Ciate, London. I'm sure it says it on the back. Oh my goodness. Why do they do this? Where they're like, you know what? Oh my god. It's gonna rip. It's gonna rip. There's nothing I can do about it. It's gonna rip. It ripped. Whoa. What are you? Whoa. Whoa. What is this? It's liquid. That's for certain. I don't have any information. It didn't come with a card. It just says, Everyday Vacay. I'm gonna have to look this up. Let's see. From what I'm getting on the back here, this is a makeup spray. Next. Got a box. It says BB on it. Purelisse. Blush Glow BB Cheek Color. So a blush? Yeah, for the life of me, I'll never know why they close the top when we could just easily open the bottom. Please tell me this is not orange. Are you going to come out? Okay. Took a minute. That is straight up orange. Please tell me that that is not an orange blush. I'm going to tap it out. It is orange. Okay, I can see this. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. It taps out pretty nicely just with a finger. And it's orangey. Like, I could see you using this in the summertime, honestly. Darker skin tones, this would probably look very gorgeous on. Or someone who's doing a very light, who has light skin tone. Maybe doing some sort of like Instagram thing. I don't know if I would do orange, but like, I'm not 100% sold on the fact that it's orange. Like it came out orange. And it says BB. Kind of like a BB cream. I don't know if this is full size either. It's definitely interesting. Something I probably wouldn't have tried until I tried it. Whoop! We got a brush. We have an SL Miss Glam. I could tell by the two little gemstones here. And it looks like either a sculpting brush or maybe a blush brush. Do we have a name on it? They're just calling it a tapered glam brush. Number 5, but look at the sparkles. You know I love a good sparkle. Actually, do you? But very cute. Kind of goes along with the... So it's just called a taper brush. So that could possibly mean that, you know, you could use it for whatever you wanted. Next. Eyelashes. Do those say MAC? Oh my goodness. Do those say MAC? They say MAC. It's a MAC product. Look at that lash. The name of it is 80 Romantic Lash, and if I can find it on their site, I will show how much this is. I'm not going to get them out and touch them. I believe I'm going to be giving these to Julia because she has been dabbling in lashes, and MAC is a pricey... Okay. I'm not going to touch them. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put it back in. Oh my goodness. That is surprising. That was surprising. All right. We got a little box. Good things come in little boxes. I want to say it says Real Her, Positive Vibes, Moisturizing Lipstick. Ooh! I love me lipstick. And again, why am I incapable of opening boxes today? People are going to wonder when they go to look why this video is so long. Why won't you come out? Why won't you come out? Oh, there was a thing in there. Okay. This looks like a sample size. This doesn't look like a full-size lipstick. Okay, I'm thinking the color is Positive Vibes. Okay. It does explain a lot. Woo! Look at that. Now, they generally send colors when they don't know what you are into. They send colors that are neutral, just in case someone's like, well, I don't like that color. How similar do the two of these look? Positive Vibes by Real Her. I have never heard of this brand before, but I like that. It's just a lipstick. It's not long wearing or anything like that. Moisturizing, probably has emollients in it, lanolin, stuff like that. I don't 100% know at all, but the box had some stuff on the side here, like, you know, things to look out for, perhaps. Oh, it's vegan. Okay, so no lanolin, I guess. Certified cruelty-free, infused with vitamin E. There you go. Paraben-free, infused with jojoba, and infused with shea butter. So, all the best things. And it smells like a combination of all those things. Very vitamin shop smelling. Yep. That's okay. I like it. It's a very wearable color to me. Now that it's like, it's on my hand for a little bit, it really does look like the other one. You could pair them together. Last thing in the bag here is, I've been feeling the packaging. Please let it be eyeshadow. Please let it be eyeshadow. I don't mind getting, like, you know, a face palette, but okay. Oh, ASMR. That one was really hard to do. All right, that is the back. Okay. Breakfast in bed. That's what I can read. Oh, Beauty Bakery. Okay. It is an eyeshadow palette. Yay. That makes me happy. Because, I mean, not like I wouldn't want like a face palette, because you can always play with those too, but eyeshadows are so much more fun. Okay, no mirror. Oh, look at those shades. Look at those shades. Look at the names. Pause to read. Okay. Now it's time to put our fingers in the products. Okay, let us. Very soft. Very soft. Hey, did we pick up anything there? Yeah. Purples are notoriously hard to do. Next color. Just the shade itself. Like, I don't know why. Okay, that's very light there, but very. Ooh, the next one was textured. Again, do you see what I mean? Like, it's really hard to get. Oh, but on my finger. I bet you it's so much better with a brush. You never know. Sometimes it's better with the finger because you get the most payoff. The next three I could do above that. Some of them are soft, some of them are textured. Oh, okay, so it's very faint. Okay. For you guys, it probably doesn't look that faint, but because of the lighting in here. Oh. Okay. Okay, that there is because of my wrist. But wow. Wow, look at that one. And last one for this row. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, final row. Very soft. I love how much you get here. Very nice colors. Another textured one. Shiny, shiny, shiny. And our last one, it's going to be a light one. I am not a professional. These are not going to look good. Of course, there are people who could do these much better than me, but what do you think? This palette has some beautiful colors. If you have a chance and you have the points in the points like section, get a mystery bag. I don't guarantee you're going to get the same items, but these, I want to say a bunch of these were full-size items in here. I'm glad I picked it. I was looking at it, I was like, what could possibly be in the mystery bag? What could possibly be in there? Let's see here. A MAC product, Beauty Bakery, which I've heard of, and I don't know if I've gotten anything from them before, but I'm really glad I got this. Got a interesting blush, 2 lipsticks, a facial spray to finish the look out, brush, a very pretty brush. I mean, I didn't miss anything over here, did I? No. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. No, wait, 7. Hold on. 7? No. This is from something else. Okay. So in the mystery bag itself, 6 products. These 6 products. If you can't get it from the point shop, go buy it in the add-ons. You're going to have to put money into your account to do it. But wow. Wow. Just wow. All right. That's the end of the video. I hope I'll see you guys in my next unboxing. Boop, bloop.